I've been trying to make this recipe video for a very, very long time. Okay, this is a little bit magnanimous to say a recipe when you're just going to put together a coffee, but everything you see in front of me is a Lego, how you say Lego piece.
I like when you say it's illegal.
It's not illegal. A Lego piece, and you can put together your dream coffee from all of these different pieces. And this is going to be the hot chocolate coffee. It's almost like a coffee mocha, but because there are so many different variations, I don't even know what to call it. But let's start with making mycotoxin-free coffee. Sage and I are very huge on mycotoxin-free stuff. For example, or mycotoxin-free cacao powder, which we are going to use in a minute. I think the star player, I would say, is our cacao elixir, because just grabbing this and put it into your coffee, you already have a very creamy coffee, and it includes tremella, which is perfect for beauty, and it's a creamer. Cordyceps, that gives you a fabulous non-jittery energy. Reishi, that calms you down, and gelatinous maca. Oh my God, it's really a fantastic booster for your hormones. So this is good for energy, beauty, and brains. Here is my favorite blender, because when you're using hot, you probably want to use a metal. I'm going to use half the coffee because we are going to make two amazing versions. Start with 1 cup. Perfect. In this one, we are going to put in the cacao elixir, a tablespoon. And which already has some of our herbs in it that we sell, but it does not have lion's mane and turkey tail. So let's put in turkey tail. I think every woman should be taking turkey tail. It protects your beautiful assets in the front, your boobs. Lion's mane, it's great for your brain. It regenerates your neurons, helps with memory and brain power. I love all kinds of creamy stuff. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of almond butter. Almond butter. Yeah. MCT oil. Even more creamier. There you go. A little bit of that. And now we are going to blend it up. It's the wrong top. Hold on, let me grab the right one. Oh, wow. It smells like heaven. All right. So this is version 1. Now we are going to do and take some of these puzzle pieces or Lego pieces, we can call them, and create an equally decadent, equally delicious, amazing hot chocolate, just a little bit differently. I like to put in a little bit of, could be almond milk, coconut milk, real milk, whatever is your choice, not oat milk. Sorry. We'll explain that some other time in another video. All right, I love a good foamy milk. I like to put in a little bit of reishi mushroom, which is wonderful for your immune system, for your mind, calms your heart, calms your brain. And cordyceps gives you a little bit of energy, but not the jittery kind, the one that's just sustainable, soft energy, and really helps your lungs to breathe better and your brain to switch on. So we put this in here, and if you are not vegan, have a tablespoon of grass-fed collagen and a tablespoon of grass-fed whey. Makes it really well. That was a really big tablespoon. I think at least 10 drops of stevia. And now let's blend this one up too. Oh, this also very, very, very beautiful scent. I think it's because of our cacao powder. These coffees are the most perfect way to start the day, I promise you. I understand that you're not always going to have whipped cream and all these things on hand, but look at that. These are perfect as a treat. Dressed up or dressed down. The decadence doesn't come from the look. The decadence comes from how healthy and wonderful they are for you. One last touch, last touch. Enjoy. I sure will.